Welcome, welcome. Yes, me cut one little tune him I go sing and then me go talk afterwards, yes. So me not even did know say me could have sing, you know. Me no know me can't sing really, but me never know say me had some skills fi cut little tune and thing, you know. So me cut one little tune in the studio and me go sing that. Followed by a little bit of talk afterward. But when you listen and when you listen we know where it go. So how it go now. Five blind mice, we see how them run, we see how them run. Then run up and down all over the camp and create a whole heap of problem and the five blind mice. Then spread a whole heap of life on the charity lady. Me no know how they manage to get where we did. Me never see nothing like that in my life. The five blind mice, the five blind mice, the five blind mice. Yeah, so that's a little tune. Me cut, yes, because me thought me need to do a little, make it a little bit fun. Yeah, because we don't like to just, we like to make people laugh little a lot. We try to do over here, so hey, hey. So now, I know this, and I need to me not go talk, but me divert a little bit because me see this little story and me listen to it. Me always go a little shop, them go listen and so. And me hear, um, two people me hear I talk about it and me want to put my pen in like, cause when me hear it I was very touched, and as I said this story really touched me from the beginning, and me can't understand as me say why the five blind mice, and five blind mice are the a tea lady Lolo and the other woman they over the camp there, the people them over the camp. I think one name Bartoon and one name Cobb and all and something there, yeah, and Mischief me call Michelle Mischief, yeah. So yeah, so me here, because them over there cause a heap of havoc, me just say me have to put me 2 pence in a hit, yeah. So because this story did touch me from the start, and me couldn't understand what it was all about, trying to what them trying to achieve. But I was thinking to myself, yeah, as I said, them a tear down corruption. We can't see what corruption them a tear down anyway. But anyway, we shan't go into that. But what me hear yesterday, what me hear this morning or yesterday, this morning me hear really, I was very very touched there by what me hear. It actually brought some tears to my eyes when me hear the story about the young lad, the 18-year-old, and him actually now get PM university fee in Canada, yeah. So, and when they put how it was put together about him going through depression, and also what the five blind mice put this person through, the young lad through, that yeah, bashing, tearing him apart and all and something there, how it made him feel, and he was just stuck in his house and he know want to come out because of all this all the media attention around him, for a young guy having to go through all that. That's why me thought me need to, divert from what me I do and do this, yes. Because it really touched me how, all this misinformation going on, and even the auntie was crying all the time, and, because, these people are trying to ruin this woman's reputation, yeah. That's what really touched me, and, somebody, attacking a young guy. These people are big people attacking. You have to call it attacking, really, because what they're doing. Really, they're basically attacking him. As some see it, yes, and as some me I go say it as me always say, because to keep going on and making the auntie look like they're scamming and they're doing something underhanding. I think the lady down at the shop, she used to it in our way, in our farms, because I think they've been doing it for so many years. So this one has been really, really, really out of context, yes, this time, yes. Till to the point where them say she gone over there because she up money, all kind of acid and comfort, which I'm going to it. But I think, the thing that touched me this morning was how what the five blind mice put these people through. It was so sad to listen to it, and he put it together in such an articulate little lad. He put it together in such a way. If them not feel touched by it, but I don't think so, because I think bad mind them out them heart and them conscience. So I don't think them are gonna feel no way. They're just gonna make up some other story. Them are gonna say the lady tell him for so. But haven't seen it, but apparently there's evidence, there's receipt out there to prove that the fee is being paid. So I need to find out what they're gonna say about it next anyway. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We need to wait and see what they're gonna come up with. But this, they need to stop now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because in the midst of it, you're tearing people down and tearing people's kids down when you got kids yourself and grandkids maybe. Some of you people. So, and that me come fi put me 2 penny in and fi say, yes, the guy come out and him, and so forth, and receipt fling out too. So, let's see what them are gonna come up with anyway. And then we come up with something because they want to, you know, accomplish their mission. I don't know what mission, yeah, but they're not going to accomplish it. But big up yourself, DMG, yes. Yeah, you did an awesome job, and and that's why them bad mind, because them all want to be like you. When I grow up, I want to be like Auntie Donna, yes. I think of that. They want to do all the things that you're doing. They want to go on radio station, they want to do charity, they want to be a cake, they want to do all these things, and they can't understand why them can't do it. But as we said, they can't stop purpose, yes. And when God is in the vessel, then can't stop you. Alright then, that's end of my little 2 cents in a hit. But as I say, look out, tomorrow now I'm going to put out the other video there now, yeah. Alright then, thanks for watching. Please like, share this video.